NZME is one of New Zealand's largest media companies. We are a print company, we're a radio company, and we're a digital company. NZME is the coming together of three companies, and what that means for myself and my team is that we're three companies that did things in very different ways. We had multiple platforms, and so we've now been spending the last year consolidating those platforms and creating consistency across how we work and what we do. For us, a lot of that consolidation was made easier by moving our properties to AWS. AWS gives us consistent tooling. Developers find it really easy to access AWS, find out what they need to know. So for NZME, AWS is a technology enabler. It allows us to iterate and build quickly. But keeping up to date with AWS, the changes in AWS and the capabilities in AWS takes time. We work with Rackspace to help us stay on top of that.
Most of Rackspace's customers are embarking on digital transformation journeys, and NZME is uniquely positioned in this regard. The company brings together a diverse mix of channels and audiences, and some of NZME's businesses have been tremendously successful over many decades with business models that face a very different media landscape than what they used to.
Being customer focused, one of the things I need from my guys is I need them to be curious, I need them to think about delivering value, but I need them freed up to do that as well. The reason for working with Rackspace is to have a partner who can actually free them up and be part of our extended DevOps model. An example of that is the Data Lake project, which Rackspace are helping us with from a productization perspective. We went into that as an experiment. As three companies coming together, we had lots of data, and we needed a way of starting to bring some of that data together, put it together, see what we got, how we could use it. As a consequence of that, we've actually been able to build ourselves a relevancy engine. Instead of just analyzing, we actually started building and using the data to see what we could do. The benefits of the insights into how our audience and our customers interact with us has already paid dividends because we've seen an uplift in the engagement, the click-through, the opening of those emails.
For me, the Data Lake project is exciting not just because it has delivered new levels of insights into the customer base and audience for NZME, but it's demonstrated to the wider company the agility, the flexibility that comes with cloud in iterating and experimenting. Projects like this demonstrate NZME's willingness to innovate and also their commitment to transforming into a new age media company.
We work with Rackspace as a partner on this journey in AWS to provide a sense check sometimes for the team. They're also valuable to us as what I think of as an extension to my service reliability team. So Rackspace have the capacity and the capability to help monitor our production applications. Rackspace, after all these years, still stands by its mantra of fanatical support, and it's solved our problems for somebody else at some point, which means we don't have to reinvent everything. We've got a partner who's probably been there and done it before, and they can bring that to bear for us.